Introducing the impressive 2023 Audi A6 TDI Quattro S-Line in stunning white with only 2,000 miles on the clock. Packed with luxurious features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and ambient lighting, this sleek saloon is sure to turn heads. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information. Upgrade your drive today.